The first thing you want to do in installing your power cord to your electric range is remove the back panel. Your back panel's supported by a couple 1/4-inch screws all the way around. First thing you do is just remove those. After you remove your screws, you just want to pull on the panel and slide it out. You want to get down here where your terminal block is. You want to get your power cord and you want to slide it through this hole. You do not want to hook them up like this. You need to slide them through the hole. And get them out here where you can work on them. The first thing you want to do, you want to hook up this green wire right to this ground. You hook up the green to the green screw. After you hook up your green screw, you want to go ahead and unscrew these bottom screws right here. It's the same thing. It's a 1/4-inch, or you can use a Phillips. Then you just want to match the colors. You want to go take your red wire and hook it up to this red terminal. Your white wire, hook it up to the white terminal. Your black wire, hook it up to the black terminal. You want to make sure you tighten the screws up really tight. You don't want no loose connections there. If you have a loose connection, it will cause your terminal to burn out. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to change out your power cord if you have a 3-prong. This is a 4-prong because it's called a 4-prong because it has 4 wires. I'm going to show you how to change out a 3-prong. Installing a 3-prong is just the same as installing a 4-prong. It's just one less wire. Like I said before, you want to slide your wires through the bottom of the hole. Might be a tight fit, but you want to get them in there. Okay. Now these ain't color coordinated, but it's really easy. You have 3 wires. You have the outer wire, the middle wire, and the outer wire. You want to hook up the outer wire to your red, the middle wire to your white, and the other outer wire to your black. Like I said before, you want to make sure your wire, your screw, and your terminal is tight. You do not want a loose connection there. And then you just put it back. If you don't know what kind of prong you need, if your prong looks like this, you're going to need a 4-prong. If your prong looks like this, you're going to need a 3-prong. And that's how you install your power cord on your electric range. Please check out my other videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.